Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a massive Temu haul. So I actually did do a past Temu haul. I did a get ready with me using all that makeup on my face. Those are going to be linked down below. I think eventually I am going to create a Temu playlist, but for now I do have those videos linked down below if you want to see those. But I do want to include a little bit of a baby haul in the beginning, just of some like random products that I've accumulated, just so I can show them to you guys and we can use them in like future reels on Instagram or TikTok or whatever. I have been doing that a whole lot recently, so if you want to see those, go follow me over there. Those are always linked down below. But we do have quite a bit of products to go through, so let's just get into it. If you want to see everything that I picked up from Temu and my little baby haul, just keep on watching. So let's talk about the Amuse products. So I do want to do a full face of Amuse, maybe on Instagram or on here. Let me know if you want to see a full face of Amuse. I don't know, maybe I'll do it on TikTok just as a small little vibe. But I did pick up a couple of new products. So we have the Amuse Aura highlight. So this is a liquid highlighter. I thought this was so cute. There is a store in my mall that's like all like affordable products, almost like a cute bargainy kind of vibe, kind of 99-cent stores vibe, where they have a lot of like random stuff. They have stuff for the house, they have makeup, they have literally snacks in there, they have everything. And I saw this, I thought this was so cute. So this one here is in the shade Sacred, and they did have other shades as well. I thought this was so adorable. So let's see, it says you have to press down and twist, and there is the applicator. So let's take a look at this shade. Oh, that's really pretty. So again, this is a liquid highlight in Sacred. That is adorable. Okay, perfect. This one I actually did use on my Instagram reel and TikTok. This is the Amuse Cosmetics Birthday Suit Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lace. This one I've used a few times, so I really like pairing it with the lip liner that I have going on from Ebony, New York in chocolate brown, and then this in the center, and then some gloss over top. It looks stunning. It is such a perfect gray purple kind of vibe. It's so pretty. There's a look at the applicator. So I did use this, and the formula itself is actually really nice. I did wear it on its own yesterday. Amazing. I really love it, and it also does layer really nicely as well. There's a look at the shade Lace. Stunning. I love these types of colors. It's so beautiful. Vampy kind of vibes. So pretty. Also picked up an eyeshadow palette from that little store. So this is the XOXO eyeshadow palette. And this one is in Confident. So they did have a couple other color stories, but I really wanted to try this one out. So I think I am going to do like a little baby video on this, because look at these colors. It's like the perfect everyday, easy peasy, travel friendly eyeshadow that they had. So it's just stunning, and I can't wait to use this on the eyes. Lastly, from Amuse, I went ahead and picked this up. This is actually what sparked the little haul vibe and me wanting to do a full face, because I have a lot of Amuse cosmetics because of xoxo, but also now these newfound products from the store. So this is Amuse Smoothie Skin Baking Powder, and this one here is in Dreamy Coconut. It was also the only one they had, and it just looks so interesting. So I really want to try this out. This retail for $5.99 at the store. So you know what, why not like get in here and look at it. Ooh, look at that packaging. So nice. Again, this one here is just their baking powder. It does have a plastic wrapping on it. Oh, this is so luxe. Yeah, so we're gonna have to use this soon. So pretty. And lastly, for my little baby haul section, I did pick this up. Well, my boyfriend picked it up for me from Marshall's, and this is the Bettie Juice and Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is the I Myself Am Strange and Unusual. So this is so cute. We actually just bought this at Marshall's. It retailed for $4.99, and he decided he wanted to pick it up for me. I thought the color story was really nice and interesting. I honestly don't remember seeing this come out on Trendmood or anywhere, but how cute is that? We definitely have to use this soon. Oh, I did post this on my Instagram as well. It does have a magnetic closure, has a little bug mirror, and these are the colors that are in here. How stunning. On the back, you do get the colors as well. All right, let's get into the Temu products. So first off, I want to talk about these sponges. On the website, they actually looked a little more dark pink. I wanted to compare them to my xoxo sponges. At this point, these are a little lighter, but I still want to compare them. I might do a TikTok doing that. It does come with 5 sponges in here. I'll have a picture of all the products from Temu on the screen and how much they retail for. But these are the sponges when they come in. They come in this gray kind of bag. And you do get all 5 of them in here. Again, they are a lighter pink than I was envisioning because Shamese's sponges are a little darker. I thought maybe there was a dupe vibe, but we're going to see. Let me take one out. So there's a look at the sponge. Oh, it's a little hard. We're going to see how it feels once it's like wet, but there's a look at that egg-shaped normal kind of sponge. It is a little more tapered than a usual sponge to me. Yeah, interesting. It's a really nice size as well. Next, I also did go ahead and pick up some brushes because I did see this set on Temu. They gave me vibes of the, gosh, what's his name? I don't know. There was a influencer that came out with some brushes that looked similar to this. I honestly forgot his name. I think he was like Kim Kardashian's makeup artist or something. They came out with some brushes that kind of look similar to this. So I just went ahead and picked them up because I wanted to try them out. They all came in this bag. This is what's in there. I haven't looked at them up close and personal. Now that I have them in front of me, they are looking a little cheapy. Like the actual like barrels don't look that great. But there's a close-up look at those. I thought the like designs, the shapes and stuff were interesting, which is why I'm gonna pick them up. They look more luxe online, obviously, like always, everything always does, but these are actually really nice and soft. So I'll have to give these a wash and try them out. The one that for sure called out to me was this one. It is a little bent, but look at how pretty. Okay, so we're gonna have to see how these work on the actual like face. Next, I did go ahead and pick up some nails. So these are their false nail professional do-it-yourself situation. I do use a lot of press-on nails from Shein, so I could like vouch for those. Those are actually really amazing. Like 85% of the nails on Shein are great. Some of them are a flop. Okay, that just always happens with everything in life, but these, they honestly don't look like they did online, and these are just a little too long, and I don't know, just not what I was expecting. I wish they were a little shorter, and just like the quality doesn't look that great. I'll have to actually like throw them on and see, but I was a little disappointed by this purchase, to be honest. Yeah, and these were the only nails that I purchased from the site. I also did buy this. Let me talk about it now. I bought this poly extension gel in clear. Honestly, I don't know what I was doing. I just like saw pictures of it. I was like, oh, it looks interesting, but I think you need bunch of other tools to make this work, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it is a clear kind of situation to like elongate your nail or something. It says quick building nail gel. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but I did buy it. Now let's get into the makeup. So first off, this product I actually did use, and a couple other products in this haul I've used on my Instagram, so if you want to see those in action now, those are over there. So I did do like little like get ready with me's for work and stuff, and I did use this quite a bit. So this is the Skin Ever lip volumizing lip care moisturizing situation. As you can see, I already opened it. It is such a nice like little packaging. The actual product is really nice, really moisturizing on the lips. I really much enjoy this product. I really like the packaging vibes. It's just so adorable, and also the actual like product itself is amazing. There's a look at the applicator, and it smells so good, like vanilla or something. It's actually really nice, and it's like a kind of slanted situation, and it fits perfectly on the lips as well. So I really like this, and I'm glad that I purchased it. My boyfriend actually purchased this for me. This is a matte liquid lipstick. This one is their Matte Kisses Velvet Liquid from Cardian. And again, I'm gonna have all of these products linked down below. I don't think I mentioned that. And this one is in the shade, I don't know, let me open it. There's a look at that. How cute is that? So they actually have liquid lipsticks in this packaging as well as lip glosses. So this one here is in the shade VO3 Kisses, and I went for a reddy kind of color. Look at that applicator, very similar to the lip volumizer that we just talked about. Doesn't really smell like anything. And the actual color, these are more like blots. Do that blotted look to the lips. There's a look at that color. So pretty. Really like the applicator. I just haven't tried it on the lips, so we'll see how this works. Just kind of grabbing random stuff. This is also another product I've used and I really like. This is a PUDAIER. I think that brand is actually really nice. They have some really great products on Temu. This is their Fluff Hold Laminating Brow Wax. Finally, I got my hands on it. It's really nice. I really like the quality of the packaging, and it does come with a little brush, so you just kind of pull the top off, and then to actually get the product part, you twist, And there's a look at that. So pretty. I like the size of this, and it works really well for the brows. The actual formula is really nice. It does feel like it's laminating your brows, but not leaving any type of residue on them. It just kind of places them in the spot. They don't move at all throughout the day. So this I've used once or twice. I'm still testing it out and seeing my full thoughts, but as of now, I really recommend this. All right, next let's talk about this product. This is the Langmani Soft Brow Crayon Situation. So this is a brow pencil, and basically this gave me ABH vibes online. Looks like so. How pretty is that? So I got the one in shade 03. So I can't wait to use this. I haven't gotten a chance to try this out. The last brow pencil that I purchased, the Benefit dupe, was really amazing. I still love it. 10 out of 10. Amazing. Definitely recommend. This one, however, I haven't tried out. So it does come with the little like micro brow situation. Let me give it a swatch for you if you want to see the color 03 in action. There is 03. I think it's going to work out rather well with my hair. And then we also have the spoolie on the other end. So yet another product I've tried out already, the O.TWO.O Invisible Pore Soft Focus Makeup Primer. Looks like so. This one was one that was kind of like hesitant about. It isn't a dupe for anything specific. It just looked interesting, and I honestly had little hopes for this, but this is actually really good. It does smooth out the face really nicely. I like to apply this in my T-zone area, and it's just a really nice packaging. It is a rose gold kind of vibe, and I really much enjoyed this. I also use this in action on my Instagram, so I'm gonna have those videos linked down below so you can just click and go. But amazing product. Love the packaging. Oh, I dropped the cap. Love the little like applicator situation. It's actually a really nice product, so yeah, really like this. Definitely recommend this as well. So we did have a couple of Charlotte Tilbury dupes. So as you guys know, they're liquid bronzer, blush, highlight. Everything has been going viral on TikTok, and I did see these dupe kind of situations on Temu, so I went ahead and picked them up, all three of them. Let me turn this one around. They're all from the same brand, and they were all in the same kind of category. You just kind of choose the different colors. Now I did write on one of them, damaged. That's the blush, because it actually did come damaged. It's like leaking. I think I'm just gonna have to toss and repurchase it from a different brand on the site. But yeah, these are actually really nice. Look at how the packaging looks. So these are from the brand LAKERAIN Beauty, and we do get the blush, the highlight, and the bronzer. So that's how the outer packaging looks. There is honestly nothing to distinguish the different products, so you just kind of have to open them and see what you're using. So looks like so, right? It's actually a really nice packaging. In the back it does say multi-use stick, and it says usage, and then it tells you how to use it. Made in China, 12 months kind of situation. You do pull the cap off. So this is the bronzer, and this does have an open and close kind of situation on it. So you just kind of twist it to close, twist it to open. I think that's genius, so it doesn't like spill everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it now. But this is the shade there. Honestly, I don't remember what actual like color this is. There's a look at the bronzer. It's really nice. Again, these were used on my Instagram, so I'll have that video linked down below. Really nice, and they blend it out really nicely as well. So the bronzer is a 10 out of 10. Then we have the highlight, which looks the same kind of concept. You do twist that little thing. The highlight was pretty nice. It's just a little lightweight. There's a look at the highlight, but it looks stunning on the face when you blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and close it, and you just pop this back on. The blush is the only one that kind of was a flop for me. It did come leaking already when it came in. I did get it to work for the video, but it's just so messy, and this keeps popping off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this. It was damaged. I'm not gonna contact the company just because it's like whatever. I don't really feel that strongly about it, but I did get to use it for my Instagram, so that's enough for me. But I'm just gonna go ahead and toss. It's just so messy. It's not great. I did pick up another liquid blush. This one's from LAKERAIN as well, and this is our Velvet Liquid Blush. This is a dupe for the Selena Gomez blush that they have on their site. The packaging is similar, but the actual like formula, obviously we don't know. But it says LAKERAIN on it. This is a dupe for the Rare Beauty blush, allegedly. So this one here is in the shade, not sure what the actual name is, but it's just like a pinky kind of vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it, see how it looks. I haven't opened this one. Just a look at the applicator, and there's a look at that color. It looks really nice. It's like a muted pink kind of color. So pretty. Really like the actual like applicator. Can't wait to try this on the face. They have quite a bit of blushes on their site. I did pick this one up as well. This is also from PUDAIER. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is their highlighting glassy blush by the grass blush. So it looks like so. This is a clear blush that turns into like a pink kind of shade. This one here is in 2. Look at that. So it looks like glittery vibes in there. Again, this one here is in 2. There's a look at the front. Just look at the actual product. Can I get in here? Oh, you see how it looks clear, but it's actually like this pinky shade. Let's give it a swatch. I wonder how it's gonna look on the face, but interesting. It's like a lightweight kind of product. Feels like a gel. So interesting. It is like kind of staining, but yeah, this one here is in O2. I think this one came in different colors as well. Looks really interesting. Can't wait to try this out. Next, we have this Beauty Glazed Chocolate Silky Lip Glaze. It says not tested on animals, and I just liked the packaging. It looks like a little chocolate bar, and I kind of wanted to open it with you guys. Let's see how it actually looks. This is a lip glaze. Ooh, from Beauty Glaze. It's actually smaller than I thought. Again, I haven't like opened this, so I don't know how this is gonna work. Oh, ooh, doesn't smell like chocolate. Just kind of doesn't smell like anything. Oh, this color. That is beautiful. I'm definitely gonna get use out of this color. Stunning. I don't know if this one comes in different colors, but I love the little presentation of it all. Next, we have this product. Honestly, I don't remember what this is. It says a bright color shiner. It says eyeshadow powder. Looks like so. I think this is the one that was also going viral on TikTok, and it's just a glittery kind of powder situation for the body and the face. Kind of don't want to take it out because yeah, now I remember it was like rather messy. There's a look at that product. It's like all over the packaging. Oof. Ooh, girl. So basically it's just like a glitter balm. Look at that. That's kind of a product I kind of regret purchasing because it's just gonna get everywhere. But anyway, the last makeup product that we have is an eyeshadow palette. So this one, I don't know why I didn't look into it online. I just kind of grabbed it because I'm like, oh my god, look at this lime crime dupe, alleged dupe on the site. So this is from Kayla. Looks like so. Again, lime crime dupe, right? So this is the box that it came in. The actual palette looks like this. It is a styrofoam kind of vibe. So it's not like a actual like plastic palette situation. It's kind of cheapy. Look at that. That's how it looks. Basically like somebody actually made it at home. There's a look at the color story. It literally looks like one of their palettes. Not sure which one. But the colors actually look really pretty, and I can't wait to try them on the eyes. However, packaging wise, I'm just kind of not, you know, like it's just like not that great of quality. So keep that in mind. They do have some other color stories on there as well. I like that the actual like front of the palette looks like the, you know, like I could do a video like this, but you know, I don't know. The colors are cute. We're gonna see how this works on the actual eyes. So that was the last product from this Temu haul. Let me know your thoughts on everything down below. I can't wait to try everything on the face. I'm kind of sad that the blush for like the Charlotte Tilbury dupe didn't work out, but you know, everything else was amazing. Brushes, we're gonna have to see how those work, the sponges and everything. We're gonna test everything out in a full face of Temu again. So let me know what products you want me to use in that video. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you give this video a like, a thumbs up. Make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you're notified when that full face of Temu goes up, and subscribe so you can support my channel. And yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.